The James Webb Space Telescope, JWST, has revolutionized our insight into black holes, not by breaching their impervious event horizons, where light itself is imprisoned, but by casting light on the extreme phenomena occurring in their vicinity. Leveraging its infrared technology, JWST reveals details other telescopes miss, such as the blistering gas swirling into black holes within accretion disks, the dazzling radiation of ancient quasars, and relativistic jets hurling matter into space. Among its landmark findings is the detection of quasar J0313-1806, anchored by a supermassive black hole weighing 1.6 billion solar masses. This relic, observed a mere 670 million years after the universe began, challenges existing models of how such titanic objects arose so swiftly, forcing astronomers to reconsider the timeline of cosmic development. JWST's work extends beyond mapping black hole growth to uncovering their galactic impact. The telescope has identified immense gusts of gas propelled by black hole activity, capable of stripping galaxies of the raw materials required for star birth, thereby stalling their evolution. These revelations emphasize black holes' dual role as both consumers and shapers of matter. Their gravitational pull annihilates nearby material, while their energetic emissions mold galaxies into new forms, balancing creation and destruction on cosmic scales. Despite JWST's prowess, the core mysteries of black holes endure. The event horizon, a one-way threshold from which no signal returns, remains beyond observation, and theoretical concepts like Hawking radiation, a faint quantum emission at a black hole's edge, remain undetectable with current tools. To bridge these gaps, JWST collaborates with instruments such as the Event Horizon Telescope, EHT, famed for imaging the Milky Way's central black hole, and the Chandra X-ray Observatory, which tracks searing plasma in accretion disks. By synthesizing data from radio waves, infrared, and X-rays, these observatories collectively chart black holes' far-reaching effects across the cosmos. Future JWST missions aim to solve enduring puzzles. How did supermassive black holes arise so soon after the Big Bang? By probing primordial quasars and dust-veiled galaxies, JWST may unlock secrets of black hole origins and their cosmic influence. Though the void within event horizons stays concealed, the telescope has transformed our perception of black holes from mysterious anomalies into fundamental engines driving universal evolution, demonstrating that humanity's quest for knowledge can pierce even the deepest shadows of space.